Hey guys, so this short video I'm going to show you how to reset your Amazon or Alexa Echo Dot.
The Echo Dot allows you to talk to me in more rooms in your home. It includes a built-in speaker, but you can also connect to external speakers using Bluetooth or line out.
Okay, so like I said, we are going to, in case you want to sell it or give it to somebody else, or you want to just recycle it, how to reset it, or in case you have any errors and unable to connect it, you're gonna reset it by just pushing this dot right here, this button, and holding it for I think 10 seconds or so, like this, and just wait for this yellow light.
Now in setup mode. Follow the instructions in your Alexa app.
So now it's basically reset, and it's not linked to your account anymore. So you can just take it out and throw it away, or give it away, sell it, donate it, I don't know, recycle it, do whatever you want to. So that's it, we've reset.